Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is you can see here Olsenmark top loader 7 kg washing machine. This machine actually this is 8 by 8.5. That means 8.5 kilo top loader washing machine. This machine actually according to the customer he is not able to use this machine because while start the machine within few minutes it's making abnormal noise. Also it's making huge noise. Also it's coming bad smell from the machine. Now I'm going to repair this machine. I will show you how to repair and we will go to the next step. I will start the machine. Also I will select direct spin cycle. That's mean this one according to the here manual it is direct spin mean number 8. I will go for number 8. I will start. You can hear the noise. Drain pump already start. Also drain motor also I can hear the noise. Clutch assemble already got catch. Now should run the machine now. You can hear the noise. Yes dear, it's not rotating. That means motor not rotating. Now we have to check the motor continuity. Also capacitor, that is capacitor if it is defect, also it's happening like that. But anyway we will remove the back of the machine and we will check capacitor and motor continuity everything. After that we can troubleshoot the problem. I will remove the back cover. It is bad smell coming from the motor. Here this is the capacitor. This one here this is 10 microfarad. You can see here the capacitor. We will check with the capacitor. We will replace the capacitor and we will check if it is working or not. Now dear friends, this is the capacitor. This one starting and running. That means both should be the same because this motor should run clockwise and anti-clockwise both sides. Because of that, it should show same continuity with the common. And we will check this one. Now these 3 wires, the motor wire. Now we can check motor continuity first. Yes dear, you can see this one continuity is showing difference. Actually starting running it should show the same volume, but this one it's already motor having problem. That's mean one side starting or running side it is gone already. Because of that, now no need to replace the capacitor. This capacitor we can check. Capacitor we will check here. We can check the capacitor and we will give the power connection to the cap and we will check. Now I given 230 power. Now we can check here. That means capacitor is okay, no problem. The problem with the motor only. Now we will check with another motor. Now you can see dear friends, here according to the here this one winding it is BY, that's mean red, blue, Y. Blue mean it is common, R running, also Y starting. That mean both are same, clockwise, anti-clockwise rotating this motor. Because of that, now I will give the connection here. First I will give the motor capacitor here. This is common wire. I am giving here connection. Just only checking. If it is working, we can fix. This is common wire. And also other side starting. Now we can check this one. Now I am going to give the power connection here. Power already I given. Also I will start the machine. Again I am selecting direct spin. Drain pump is working. Also drain motor. Clutch already catch. Now motor, if it is okay, this motor it should work. Just here you can see that motor is okay, but capacitor also okay. You can see start properly. Drain motor, drain pump, both are working. This motor also okay, but other motor already gone. Now we have to replace the motor. We will disconnect the power and we will replace the motor and we will check. Now I already disconnect the power. Now we have to remove all the wiring again. Now we have to lay down the machine and we will remove the motor and we will fix other one. We have to disconnect here power cable. Now we can take it out. Now I am going to remove the motor. Normally we can release easy. Yes dear, it is very hot, very warm water. Now you can see dear friends, it is the same motor This one. Now I'm going to fix the motor, other one, which is working one. It should come like that, mount. Both sides should be the same. It should come like that. Now I already mount motor. Now I have to tie it. Before tie it, we have to fix the V belt. Otherwise, we are not able to adjust this one because of that. Now it is loose. Now we can tie it. Now dear friends, I'm going to give the connection because I already fixed motor, which is defect one I removed. Now I'm going to give the connections. This one common wire blue, it will come from the control board black. Also I have to give the connection neutral from here to drain pump, also drain motor. All 4 wires will come. Now it's okay. Now I have to give the motor connections. This one starting running, it's like starting and running, but both should be the same because it's rotating clockwise anti-clockwise. Because of that, okay, all the fix all together. Now we will give the power connection again. One time we will check. I'm starting again. Also I'm selecting direct spin cycle and I will start. Drain pump, drain motor, everything is working. Now motor should run now. Now dear friends, you can see it is working. Motor already getting start, already got start. Now it will increase the RPM. Now you can see, dear friends, it is motor running, drum rotating with the pulsator. That means it is no any issue. My job almost completed. My job is almost complete. Now I have to fix permanently harness assemble here. Now it's okay, it's running well without any problem. Now I will shut down the machine again. I have to give the connections properly. I will open the door now. It should start. Yes dear, it's okay, everything perfect. Now I will shut down the machine again. I have to fix harness here because while vibrating time it should get damaged because of that. Now I already completed my job. Finally we will check again. This one I given power. Again I will select direct spin cycle number 8 and I will start. You can hear the noise, drain pump, also drain motor, gear, everything it's perfect. Because that old motor, it is already one side gone, winding weak. That's why its motor making bad noise with the smell. Now you can see here, this one it's working properly. No any issue. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.